Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and yeah, we'll be listening. Yeah, guys, lightning happened. Lightning strike happened. This shows that we are Africans, eh? This incident happened at a wedding ceremony. So yeah, since Americans wants to come to South Africa, this is what they should expect. South Africans are against good things, and as you can see, yeah, let them come. Share your thoughts, guys. What do you think should happen on these things, incidents, and what must we do to protect ourselves from enemies? So I can say people who are against what we do in our villages, in our society. Share your thoughts, guys. Comment, subscribe, like. Yeah, thanks for watching.